Hello students, from today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is mathematical logic. The word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means reason. Thus, logic deals with the method of reasoning. Language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. For communication, we use sentences. In logic, we use the statements, which are special sentences. Four type of sentences we use in our daily life. The first one is assertive sentence, that is simple sentence. For example, the milk is white, the grass is green, the sky is blue, 2 is an even number. All these are the examples of simple sentences, or we can say declarative sentences. Now second type is imperative sentences. We can say command or order or request or suggestion. For example, please give me a glass of water. Don't ever touch my phone. These are the examples of imperative sentences. Now interrogative sentences, which includes questions. What is your name? How are you? Where are you going? Where do you want to go today? Why are you so unhappy? These are all examples of interrogative sentences. And the fourth type is exclamatory sentences, which includes exclamation. For example, wow, what a beautiful girl she is. May God bless you. These are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Now, statement in logic. A statement in logic is a declarative, means assertive sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Means if the given sentence is assertive and for which truth value exists, either true or false, then we can say that sentence is a statement in logic. Statements are denoted by small letters P, Q, R and so on. Now, following sentences are statements. See here, few examples are given. First one, sun rises in the east. This is the examples of statement in logic. Now this is a simple sentence and for which truth value exists. This is a true statement and therefore the truth value is T. Now second is 5 into 2 is equal to 11. Now this is also a simple sentence and for which truth value exists, that is false, and therefore it is a statement in logic. Now every triangle has 3 sides. This is also a simple sentence and for which truth value exists, that is T. Therefore this is a statement in logic. Now next, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. This is also a declarative simple sentence and for which truth value exists, that is T. Therefore this is also a statement in logic. A natural number is an integer. This is also a simple sentence for which truth value exists, that is T, and therefore this is also a statement in logic. Now following sentences are not statement in logic. Means if the given sentence is imperative, means any command or request or order or suggestion, or which includes questions or which includes exclamations, then it is not a statement in logic. So how are you? This is one of the question. Therefore this is not a statement in logic. Do you like to play tennis? This is also not a statement in logic. Please give me your pen. This is a request. This is also not a statement in logic. Sit down. This is also not a statement in logic. What a beautiful place it is. It includes exclamation. Therefore, this is also not a statement in logic. Here is a note for you. So, interrogative, exclamatory, command, order, request, suggestions are not statements in logic. Now next part is open sentence. Now first one, he is tall. Now open sentence means for which the truth value depends upon the situation and the truth value varies from person to person. Now see the first one, he is tall. Now we don't know who is tall and we don't know whether he is tall or not. Therefore, even though given sentence is a simple, here we cannot decide the truth value whether it is true or false. Therefore, this type of sentences are called as open sentence. Now it is black in color, but what is black in color? That we don't know. And whether it is actually black in color or not, that is also don't know. Therefore, here also we cannot find the truth value, whether it is true or false. Therefore, this is also an example of open sentence. He is honest, but who is honest? We don't know. Then next example, 3x upon 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now here, since value of x is not given, that means we don't know whether this equation is consistent or not. If the value of x is given, then only we can substitute that value of x here and we can check whether we are getting right hand side number or not. But since this is not given, therefore we cannot decide whether this is correct equation or not. So this is also an example of open sentence. Now mathematics is an interesting subject. But for everyone mathematics is an interesting subject, we don't know. And therefore this is also an example of open sentence. So we can say that in all the above sentences, the truth value depends upon the situation. The truth value varies from person to person. So such sentences are called as open sentences. So open sentence is not a statement in logic. Since in open sentence we cannot decide the truth value whether it is true or false, therefore we cannot consider this as a statement in logic. Now here we have considered few examples. See, which of the following sentences are statement in logic? Write down the truth value of the statements. That means here few sentences are given. First we will check whether it is a statement in logic or not, and if it is a statement in logic, then we will find the truth value whether it is true or false. First one, what are you doing? Now it is an interrogative sentence and therefore it is not a statement in logic. Second, 6 into 4 is equal to 25. This is a simple declarative sentence, therefore it is a statement in logic, but the truth value is false. Now x plus 6 is equal to 9. Since the value of x is not given, we cannot check whether this equation is correct or wrong. Therefore, it is an open sentence and hence it is not a statement in logic. Now, the moon revolves around the earth. It is a statement in logic and its truth value is t. The square of a prime number is a prime number. Now, it is a statement in logic and its truth value is false. You can check, for example, suppose 3 is a prime number and the square of 3 is 9, but 9 is not a prime number and therefore the truth value of this is false. Now in next lecture we will learn simple statement, compound statement, then 5 logical connectives and truth table of that 5 logical connectives. Thank you students.